Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through another episode of my guided workout series. Today with a spring episode. This is to inspire our friends and family to step into the outdoors and improve their health and fitness. Today we have a skater challenge. This is going to be composed of one exercise. It's skaters. We're going to repeat them 7 different times. We're going to put 45 seconds on the clock, 15 seconds of rest. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button and let's go ahead and begin. First up, we're going to get into our starting position. Here we go. We're going to move as if we were skating. Bringing one leg at a time behind us, coming into a bit of a lunge, sending that leg back and left, and back and right. Keeping our head and our chest up, we focus on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Be sure to take these at your own pace. Just focus on your form and your breath before speeding things up. We have a couple of seconds left. Great job. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. Get a good breath in, a little sip of water, and let's go ahead and get right back into it again for another 45 seconds of skaters. Again, we're focusing on replicating a skating form. Focus on your form and your breath. Let's go. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We move with coordination and control. Remember to keep your head and your chest up. And don't forget to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. We're putting our arms to move as well, putting them to work. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Nice deep breath. Let's go ahead and get right back into it. Shake those legs off, shake your arms off. Let's go ahead and get right back into that starting position for some more skaters. If we feel a little more comfortable, we can move with a little more speed without sacrificing our form. We make the most out of each rep. Sending that leg back and to the side as if you're skating or ice skating here. Keep our head and chest up as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Great job, my friends. Again, get a nice little breath in, shake it off. You're doing great. We're almost halfway through this. Let's go ahead and get right back into it again. Nice skater form. Here we go. We move with control as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Feeling a little more comfortable, bringing up the pace. Focusing on putting those arms to work. We're moving those arms. Sending those legs back as if we're skating here. Moving with our breath. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. We're gonna get right back into it again. Here we go. Focus on that form. Let's begin. Moving with control. Focusing on our balance. Moving nice and light on our feet. We breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. This fresh spring air smells so good. Feels great to be outside today. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. We're definitely crushing it. You're almost done. Shake it off. Let's go ahead and get right back into another 45 seconds of skaters. You got this. Let's go. Moving with control. Sending one leg back at a time. As if we were skating, we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Focus on your form and focus on your breath. We have a couple of seconds left of this rep. We'll be taking another 15-second rest. Great job, my friends. We're down to the last rep, last 45 seconds. You got this. Shake it off. Take a nice deep breath. Let's go ahead and get right back into it for the 45 seconds of skaters. Here we go. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keep your head and your chest up. We're moving as if we were skating. Focusing on our balance, getting our lungs fired up. Focus on that breath. Last couple of seconds, my friends. Great job, guys. That concludes this workout. That concludes this challenge. If you learned something new, smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.